I'm meteorologist Nicole Nasensek. Thanks so much for checking in with us here for your SkyTrak 13 forecast. It has been a sizzling week so far. We finally hit the 90-degree mark on Monday. You know, we've been talking about that we haven't hit it all summer. Well, Monday was our day. Then yesterday, the warmest day of 2014 so far, topping out at 93 degrees. Normal high this time of year is 84. This afternoon, we'll hit about 87 degrees. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are possible as we get into that daytime heating. Might even have an isolated chance this morning. Not looking for anything severe in terms of widespread severe weather, but an isolated storm may turn severe with damaging winds, some small hail, and very heavy rain. You see here on Future Track 13 how things develop as we go into the afternoon, so we'll have a close eye on that. And I'm not ruling out the chance of an isolated shower or storm as we go into the overnight. So that's something that we'll be watching too. We're just in a pattern right now of very muggy conditions, stormy conditions. By Friday and Saturday, close to 90 again. Stormy conditions expected on Sunday.